So today we're going to uh, test this AI Apollo performing internal agent AI agent that we built with the XLS database knowledge base. So we are using this knowledge base official source. Yes. So now I have different questions here. We're gonna go and test this to make sure this AI agent is accurate before we go and publish it. So testing needs to happen before we publish this agent for proper use. So you want to ensure this accuracy of it. What instrument does Liam Jones play and who is the teacher? Liam Jones plays guitar and his teacher is Mr. Davis. Liam Jones. Liam Jones, Mr. Rivera. So that is incorrect. So many students who take piano lessons on Monday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 students on Monday. That's what uh, that's what the agent is saying. For piano lessons on Monday. So piano lessons on Monday. So piano 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Sophia, Ava, Ethan, and Amelia. Emily, Ethan, Amelia. So that sound about right. So I think this information is correct. So AI answered it correctly. So another question. 5:30 p.m. slots already booked by whom? So I'm gonna check 5:30 p.m. slots on Tuesday. Tuesday, 5:30 p.m. Tuesday, 5:30 p.m. slot. One here. And one here. So AI is correct. So by Nora and Nathan. Nora and Nathan. So AI is correct. How many students does Mr. Rivera teaches and what are their name? Okay, Mr. Rivera teaches 15 students. Let's do the counting. Mr. Rivera, just 20 students. So AI is incorrect. So that's all we're going to do for this video. We will do the tweaking and do another video so that AI agent can produce correct answer before publishing it. So just before I leave, so uh, just to know that AI agent can do, these are the templates that are available: website Q&A, voice, safe travels, financial insights, benefits, citizen services, IT help desk, sustainability insights, weather. So these are the template available for the to build an agent. Microsoft Copilot Studio already has built that for you for the companies. Um, so this is another voice agent I'm building. Uh, this is for external customer, and for the knowledge base, add knowledge. So I don't know if I have already shared this with you, but uh, you can use following: public website, SharePoint, Azure AI Search, Dataverse, Dynamics 365, Salesforce, Now ServiceNow, Azure SQL, and advanced tab Snowflake, Databricks, Confluence, Database Oracle, SAP OData, Zendesk, Azure Databricks. So you can use all this uh, source as a knowledge base. And then I also want to point out that uh, what's an agent here? Oh, you can add an agent also. And then, so the other useful thing is the topic right here. Uh, so this topic is already created by the system right here, but you can add a topic. You can have start from the blank, or you can have a Copilot create a topic for you. So that's they are all available here on the Microsoft Copilot Studio. So for this video, that's all we're gonna do for today.